Crusade, a commercial truck driver runs a red light, slamming into her vehicle, killing an unborn child. But the driver faces no criminal charges. Tonight, I-Team investigator Adam Walser shows us what this mother is doing to make sure another family does not have to feel her grief.
You know, it's really hard now with the holidays.
Angelique Cruz and Carlos Rodriguez were looking forward to their daughter Angelisa's first Christmas.
You know, we had so much anticipation for her being here.
But Angelise didn't make it.
Last 6 or 7 months has been really rough.
On May 19th, Cruz and her sister, who were both pregnant, were riding to their baby shower when their car was T-boned by a work truck, who 4 witnesses saw run a red light at the intersection of Waters Avenue and 12 Oaks Boulevard. The driver of the truck never hit his brakes, and according to the accident report, the truck hit the car so hard it pushed it all the way from the center of that intersection to this telephone pole, where the women were trapped.
I thought she was dead, actually.
Cruz was knocked unconscious.
At impact, my placenta detached, so my daughter was basically without oxygen.
Baby Angelise was delivered by emergency C-section, but died before her mother woke up 3 days later.
It's really hard. It was really hard.
Cruz and Rodriguez spent a few precious moments with their baby, took videos and pictures, and said goodbye. Cruz's nephew, also born by emergency C-section, spent 2 months in the neonatal intensive care unit, but survived.
Do you remember hitting the car on Waters?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Did you know that the lady's baby died?
Uh-huh.
Felix Villavicencio, who owns Cuban Tree Services in Tampa, was the driver. He was cited for running a red light. Villavicencio barely speaks English, so his wife helped with the translation. He denies doing anything wrong.
The 2 ladies maybe blah, 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 and not looking for big throw, right?
Villavicencio's driving record shows it took him 3 tries each to pass the signs and rules sections of his driver's test. And it took 4 attempts for him to get his commercial driver's license, allowing him to drive large trucks. He's been cited for 11 traffic violations, including running 3 red lights since 2007. His charge for the crash leading to the baby's death? A ticket.
I would have thought involuntary manslaughter.
In order to charge him with vehicular homicide, he had to be reckless driving. And in the state of Florida, running a red light is not reckless driving.
Cruz hopes to change that. She started an online petition on change.org, which currently has more than 1,100 signatures. She's calling on state lawmakers to change Florida's vehicular homicide statute, allowing law enforcement officers to consider running a solid red light reckless.
Because there was a death, and it was my daughter's, unfortunately, and I just want justice.
Cruz and Rodriguez won't get any justice in their baby's case. Villavicencio went to court to contest 2 tickets he was given as a result of the crash. Witnesses and the sheriff's deputy who took the report didn't show up. A sheriff's spokesperson said as he was not a witness, he didn't have to go to court. But the I-Team discovered he was subpoenaed for 1 of the tickets.
So the charges were dropped. He didn't get anything.
The I-Team is still waiting for more answers from the sheriff's office and will follow up. Since the crash, Cruz has been in constant pain and attends physical therapy twice weekly. Money for medical care that she received from Villavicencio's insurance company ran out long ago. 2 months after the crash, Villavicencio got another ticket for driving without insurance.
You're good with insurance and all now?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
While he doesn't admit any wrongdoing, Villavicencio has a message for Cruz.
Sorry, me for baby. Me father for baby. I'm sorry.
And in the spirit of what would be Angelise's first Christmas, she has a message for him.
Could you forgive him?
Yeah, of course. I could forgive him, but I'll never forget.
I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser, taking action for you.